I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your artwork at final print size and setting 300 dpi so edges stay crisp. Once done, add a 2-3 mm safe margin and make the background transparent to avoid unwanted bleed. Next, duplicate the art layer and lock the original. You need the copy to generate a clean outline path without altering the source. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can switch between art and outline quickly. Now convert the duplicate into a vector outline using Trace or the pen tool for precision. You want one continuous, closed path. Once traced, apply an offset outward of 1.5 to 3 mm, choose less for tight details and more for fragile points. Then refine by smoothing sharp corners and removing stray points so the cutter reads one clean stroke. Make sure the path has consistent direction and no self-intersections to prevent cutting errors. Finish by exporting the outline as an SVG or PDF with the path as a stroke only. Avoid filled shapes. Then test cut on scrap material at 100% scale to verify the offset and material behavior. If the cutter undertrims, increase the offset slightly. If it overtrims, reduce it or smooth the path more. One key troubleshooting tip: if cuts jump or double cut, check path direction and re-export a single closed path. This fixes most cutting faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.